Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now it is 8:49 and I thought that I would just show you guys my nighttime routine, my hair and skin nighttime routine. So first things first, I wet my hair, and if you guys saw my last hair video, you know what this is. This is just some water and conditioner and a little olive oil. And then I parted my hair and I used the Dr.miracle Strengthen Hot Grow, and I just rubbed that into my scalp. I massaged it in for about 10 minutes. I massaged my scalp, and then now I'm going to use my Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. Okay, so now I'm going to spray a little of this oil mixture I made. This is just olive oil, some black castor oil, and a little vitamin E oil, and I'm just shaking that up, and I'm just going to spray that into my hair. So next I'm going to use a little bit of my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, just about that much. So now I'm going to use my Denman brush, and I really like this brush. I'm really glad I bought it, and this is just going to help me define my curls and detangle my hair. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just going to shake my hair. And that's it. Now I'm just going to pop a bonnet on. And that is it for the hair portion. So now on to skincare. So because my hair runs really, so because my skin runs really dry, my skincare is mostly based on rehydrating my skin all day and all night. So to start off, I cleaned off all the makeup that I had on today, and my favorite tool to use to do that is this makeup rag. It's really just to remove eye makeup, but I use it for my whole face and it works very well, and I really don't have to invest in makeup wipes. So first I'm going to go in with some glycolic acid toner, and the one I use is by The Ordinary. I put it in this little bottle because, well, I had an empty bottle and this is really big. So I'm just going to take some of that and I'm just going to drop it onto my face. And I have cotton pads to do this, but I feel like I'm wasting product when I use a cotton pad, so I don't. So this toner is 7% glycolic acid. If your skin's not used to it, it might burn. It works very well. It really does reduce a lot of my hyperpigmentation. If you are not used to glycolic acid, I would suggest that you try it out on your arm or something and see if it starts burning. If it does, get a separate bottle like this, put half of water and the rest of it the toner, and it'll work the same. It just tones it down. So I'm going to take some of this toner and I'm just going to put it right here on my shoulders. So put some right there. I have really dark bruising or hyperpigmentation from my bra straps being too tight, or not even being too tight. They're just carrying a lot of weight. So I put this all over here. And then I'm going to go in with my Valjean's Restore Facial Serum. So the Restore Serum has niacinamide and zinc. So niacinamide is good for purifying and calming the skin. Zinc is for soothing blemish-prone skin. I'm going to drop that onto my face. Never forget the neck. So next I'm going to get the hair off. So next I'm going to use my Valjean's Firm Serum. So the Firm Serum has vitamin E and ferulic acid. So the vitamin E and ferulic acid provide an antioxidant boost for firmer, youthful looking skin. So next I'm going to use my Glow Serum. This has vitamin C and magnesium. Vitamin C brightens and magnesium revitalizes and evens out skin tone. Alright, so now the next product I'm using is my hyaluronic acid by the Cream Shop. This is a gel overnight mask. And the hyaluronic acid is a skin brightener and hydrator, which is what I need for my skin. Okay, so now we're just gonna massage that into my... Alright you guys, that is it for my hair care and skincare routine. This is what I do every night, or at least I try to do this almost every night. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below. Please subscribe, and you guys, please don't forget, be kind, love truly, and have so much fun. I will see you guys in the next video. I'm about to go watch Z Nation and go to sleep. Bye bye.